Hi everyone, my name is Girish Nair. I'm from BenQ Middle East. Today's webinar is all about how to create the next generation workspace in response to the new normal. Now, as you all know, we are in a pandemic situation and there are so many people wants to be connected with each and every of their employees. So how you can be connected? So we have come up with a new model which is a BenQ Duo board, where we call it as an all-in-one solution for any corporate or business environment. So let's proceed further and let me show you how it becomes an all-in-one solution. So let's talk about the specification of the Duo board. What all are the new features which has come on our flagship model? So when we talk about Duo board, it comes with an all-in-one solution with an inbuilt full high definition camera with inbuilt microphone, which is 6 RA microphones, with a capacitive touch, which we call it as direct bounding technology, comes with the 2 active pens and with a pen holder as well. Then it has the 16-watt speakers, so you don't compromise on volume, and addition to it, it comes with a 15-watt subwoofer as well. It has NFC as well as air quality sensor, and you have option of putting a slot-in PC, which becomes a full-fledged computer with all the connectivities. Now, let's talk about the user interface, how easy it is. So by default, as soon as you switch on your Duo board, it by default switch on Android mode. So let me just demonstrate you how easy it is about the user interface. So if you see the Duo board, you can click on the application, any application which you think that you won't be using it every single day. It becomes more easier, just a matter of clicking it and dragging and dropping it. So for example, I love to go to Google and search things on it. I can just always keep it ready for me whenever I require it. Now, other than that, even I have option of putting a widgets to it. So for example, if I want to know what is the oxygen level inside my meeting room, I can even switch on that widget. If I would like to have a writing message board wherein my IT can give me an access of putting a Wi-Fi or its password, I can even have it on my fingertips. Now, other than that, as it comes with the NFC feature, so you can tab your NFC card and you can get into your account management system. Furthermore, it comes with an active pen which comes with the device. So let me just show you how efficient is this pen. So as soon as you pick up the pen is ready to do any kind of an activation. You even have option of changing the color of the pen also. So you can select it whichever you feel like, and you can change the color any given point of time. So you have a very wonderful tool which you call it an Easy Write, which you can annotate on any surface wherever you are. Now, other than that, if you don't want it, you can keep it back and you can close the Easy Write. Now, as I said, it comes with a capacitive touch, so we call it as a direct bounding technology. Now, what the direct bounding does is it reduces the gap between the touch point and the display panels. Thus, whenever you start writing anything, it gives you a feel of a natural way of handwriting. So whenever you write on the panel, you feel like you're writing directly on a normal white surface or a whiteboard. Other than that, as I said, panel comes with an inbuilt camera. So the beauty of it is, if you put a slot-in PC to the panel, even the camera which is inbuilt, you can use it not only on the Android platform as well as it can be used on the Windows platform. So if you're using any application, video conferencing like Teams, Skype for Business or Zoom on your slot-in PC which is already connected in it, you don't need to do any connections. This camera can even recognize those presentation as well. Now, when we say about Duo board, we talk mostly about 3 C's and 4 D's. So let me show you what are the 3 C's and what are 4 D's. So when we say 3 C's, is nothing but collaboration, conferencing and casting. So let's talk about casting. What is casting? Casting is nothing but it's an application inbuilt in our panels wherein we call it as a BOYD trend, bring your own device, and you can wirelessly mirror to it. The only thumb rule for this is the panel as well as your device, that could be mobile phone, tablet or laptop, should be on the same SSID. Now, Other than that, if you don't want to use a software and you would like to use an hardware, even we have an option of having a device called an InstaShoe, where you can connect it directly to your laptop and there is no software required, just a matter of pressing one button and immediately your laptop gets mirrored. Now, when we talk about casting, let me show you what all things which you can do with our casting software, which is nothing but called as a BenQ InstaShare. So any application that could be iOS, Android, Mac, Chrome or Windows, you have all the ability of doing a wireless mirroring. Not only that, even you have option of having a split screen onto your devices. So let me just give you a quick demonstration how it can be done. So I'll just go to the application and I open InstaShare. As soon as I start, I get two options. That is the presentation mode and I get a moderator mode. So let me just first show you the presentation mode. I'll ask my colleague Shrikant to share his laptop with me right now. So there is no software required. There's a wirelessly mirroring happening onto my screen. Now the advantage of this is I can even have the option of taking the whole control. For example, this is a software. If you can see, it's connected to my panel and then I'm doing a wireless mirroring, and even I can add on any of the pages if I would like to go on any of the application. The full control of my laptop is over here. Not only that, for example, if I have more than one participant and I want multiple people to share their screen, I can click on the moderator mode. Then I have more options. Let me just show you what all are the options. So I can have sharing one screen, I can share two screens, I can share 4 screens, and max to max it can go up to 9 screens. So in any conference room or a meeting room, that could be 9 people and they can immediately connect their devices to it, and the presenter has full control of the device. So for example, if I'm having one screen, so I'll ask Shrikant again to share his screen. So let me just show you what all things can be done with it. So that is nothing but the laptop, which is wireless mirroring, which is on Windows platform. I'll ask my colleague to share his iOS device. So that is the iOS. Now, if I would like to have both the devices simultaneously side by side, what I'll do is I click on the Duo board, wherein one side I can have my colleague's iOS device and the other side I'll have my colleague's Windows device. So just to show you, I can minimize this. Then whenever a person is doing a presentation, you don't need to come in middle and try to take the control. Any given point of time on both the side, you get this application, you can just click on it and you can swipe between the screens. So if I would like to take the Windows on the other side, it's quite simple. If I want Apple device to come on this side, just a matter of swiping it and it comes on the other side. So let me just bring it over here and try to take the control of the device possible. Not only this, even if I make the screen into 9 displays, even I can take the whole control of the devices from here itself. So I no longer need to go and click on any of the devices. Even my Microsoft laptop or an Apple device, I can take the whole control from here itself. So that makes my life more easier. As a presenter, I don't need to go to the laptop. I can take the whole control of the device from here. So that is nothing but called as a casting, which comes along with the device itself. Now, one more thing, beautiful part of this is, any given point of time you are doing any kind of a mirroring, you have option of doing annotation on it. So let me just show you. For example, if I would like to annotate on any surface, I can annotate on it. So I don't need any other application. I can get this easy tool any given point of time from the options, which is on the side, and I can do annotation on any screens. Quite possible. I don't want it, I can just close it back and I can come back to the home screen. Now, this is something which we use it for casting. Now, let's focus on conferencing. So when we say about conferencing, what things comes under conferencing? So as you know that we can use any Android based application on our Duo board because it comes with the inbuilt camera and an inbuilt mic. By default, from our side, we give you Bliss as well as Zoom, which comes along with our panels, wherein you can quickly connect to any of the video conferencing to any person in any part of the world. And even if you are using a slot in PC, wherein if you would like to do a video conferencing from Windows platform on Teams or Zoom or Skype for Business, you don't need to do any changes in the camera connections. Just a matter of changing the source. The panel is intelligent to understand your cameras between swiping the operating system. Let's talk about collaboration. So when we say collaboration, if you remember, I was talking about 3 C's and 4 D's. So in collaboration, we get 4 D's. That is nothing but it called as a DO users, DO boards, DO OS and DO Windows. Let me just explain you in detail in the coming slides. So when we say collaboration, so what all things you can do in collaboration? You can do DO boards, DO OS, DO Windows and DO users. So let's go one by one on each and every features. So when you say DO boards, it's nothing but, as you see the installation how we have done it, you can have 2 panels side by side to each other and you can have one seamless whiteboard application. So what you can do over here is, whenever you are working on a whiteboarding application and you have any project which you're working on and there is a space constraint, you don't need to go on the second page. You can just slide that onto the same page. Let me just show you the live demonstration how it happens. So I'll just go to the whiteboard and it's just a matter of me to pair the device first. And then, for example, if I am opening any image, for example, if I now want to move it from one screen to other screen, there is no software, nothing required, just a matter of dragging it from one page to another page. So if you're using it from the other panel also, quite possible. Just click on it, you get the image, move it from one panel to another panel, and then you have all the option of doing an annotation on that particular image. So that is one of the feature in 4Ds. Let me just go back and show you the other features. Now after DO boards, we have something called as one more feature which I left to inform you. Now we have something called as DO board. So if you can see, I have a very beautiful remote which comes along with the panel. I can use the laser light on both the panels. I don't need to have separate remotes. From one panel, if you can see the red dot, I can move it from one panel to another panel. Quite easy. If I would like to have a spotlight, even I can have a spotlight which I can move it from one panel to another panel. I can increase the size of it, I can decrease the size of it, and I can move it around. So let me show you the DO OS option. It's quite simple. Now I'm doing a presentation on an Android platform. Now if you would like to go on to DO OS, I have this option which shows 2 windows. Just a matter of clicking on that, it splits my screen to half. So I have application wherein I can open any Android application on it. For example, if I would like to have whiteboard on the other side, I can open a whiteboard and I can have my presentation side by side. And if I would like to write something on my whiteboard, I don't need to cover my presentation. What I can do is just a matter of clicking one button, the whole presentation become on the other side. Then I have option of increasing my presentation or decreasing my presentation, and I can increase my whiteboard area so that I can write my points. And I think I'm done with it. I can close it. Now, not only this, as I said, it's a DO OS option, so I can just click back. I have option of clicking on the source, and I can bring a full-fledged computer on the other side. So you have options. So if you can see on my left hand side, I have Android application. On my right hand side, I have my full-fledged PC. So if I would like to make the PC big screen, or if I were to change any of the other source which comes along with my panel, that is HDMI or any of the other source, VGA, I can directly connect to it and I can bring it directly onto my screen. So I am working on 2 different operating systems simultaneously. So I have my Android and I have my PC. So I have option of increasing, decrease the size of it also. I'm done with it. I can close it, go back to my presentation. Now, so not only this, even you have option of having a picture in picture. Mostly some people don't like to make the screen into half. So we give another option. When you click on it gives you a small picture in picture of your PC or any of the other source. So if you would like to have any other source connected with an HDMI, you can take that as a source, or you can have the OPS, which comes as an optional with the panel. You can have it onto the screen, so that could be the maximum screen size. As you can see, any given point of time you want to make your Windows platform full screen, you can just a matter of clicking one button, it becomes full screen. You want to go back to the Android, just click it back, it brings you back to the Android, and still your Windows applications are open. Now if I would like to open any application directly from here, just a matter of clicking buttons and I can open all my application directly from here. So you can see, if I would like to open any presentation, I can directly open my presentation from the panel itself. So I have my main presentation happening on the Android platform. I can have a second presentation on my Windows platform. So DuoOS can help me to do both the things, and Android as well as on Windows platform. So I can just play my presentation and I can go next on it also. So full control of your PC or any of the HDMI source which you connect, it's possible with the help of DuoOS option. You're done with it, you can just close it. Now, other than that, we have Duo Windows option, which I already showed to you. Let me show you Duo users. So as you are on a whiteboard application, as all the brands claim about their 20 touch points and dual pen mode, let me just show you how Duo board works. So I'll just go to the whiteboard and I'll ask assistance from my colleague Shrikant. Shrikant, why don't you come and try to write something? We'll just select the Duo pen mode. You can try to write something from your side. So now in this you can see that Shrikant is using his pen, I'm using a pen, I'm writing on black, he's writing on red. So there are two different people can come, they can select the different colors and they can write simultaneously. There won't be any delay on the writing. Now, going back to the presentation. So when we say the all-in-one meeting room solution, so we have just covered the casting, conferencing and collaboration. Let me show you a little bit more which comes along with our devices. So we have something called device management and security. As it goes to the corporate level, we need to make sure that it's quite secure, user friendly and a healthcare also, which is our top priority in current pandemic situation. So what kind of a device management which we come across? So we have account management system in all our panels, wherein you can have NFC feature or you have a QR code wherein the person can scan it and unlock the device. So if you would like to give you a demonstration, let me just show you how the account management system works. As security and everything comes into top priority when it comes to corporates, we have a very unique application named as account management system, that is AMS, which allows participants to open their own accounts. So if, for example, if they're coming out for the meeting room, they don't need to bring their laptops or mobile phones or tablet wherein they need to do wireless mirroring. If they have NFC or an AMS account, they can unlock the panel with the help of QR code. So there are different ways. Let me give you a small demonstration how we can do. So as you can see, the panel is locked. I have a login account. So I can scan the QR code and I can log in with the help of my mobile phone. I can even put the password by clicking on the admin, or if you'd like to have my own user account, I can get inside with that also. But whenever you click on anything, it asks you a password, so it's not much secure. So what I can do is, I have my NFC card which is with me. I can just tap my NFC card and automatically it unlocks my account. Now, so if you can see, when I click on my AMS, I get all my Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, access directly from here. So if I made any presentation, I can directly upload into my cloud account. I don't need to bring my laptop for my presentation or my meeting room. I can just come, open and pull all my information from my Google accounts. That is something which comes along with our panel. Other than that, other than AMS, we have McAfee, which comes along with our panels, so that there shouldn't be any virus infection happening to the panel. Then we have something called a DMS. DMS is nothing but it's called as a display management system, wherein you can control the whole device from any remote location. So this makes your IT person's life more easier when it comes to managing the devices. If there is any updates, if there is any source change or any MAC address or any of the things which the IT requires, he don't need to physically be in the premises. He can be in any part of the world and he can take the control of the whole device. Even for example, if they want to change the source, that is possible. Brightness, scheduling the panel, everything can be done remotely. So physical presence is not required. Now this comes as an optional. You can have that feature as a cloud base, or if you can have on the local intranet also, that is also possible. So you can do display setting, installing application, want to update the panels, grouping the devices, all those things are possible with the help of DMS. Other than that, we have a tab with TeamViewer. So all our panels come with the TeamViewer access. So any given point of time, if the IT would like to take the control of the devices, they can immediately take the control of the device with the help of the quick support, which comes inbuilt and free of cost from our panels. So from any remote location, they can take the control. Then we even have VM Horizon, which comes along with all our panels. Talking about user friendly, how user friendly is our panel? So it's as I gave you information before, that the widgets can be designed. You can design the whole screen. You can make a shortcut for all the application. OTA, for example, if there is any update is there and the IT could not be getting in touch, any person who knows how to operate a laptop, just a matter of clicking on the OTA and they can update the panel. Now, major concern in current pandemic situation is healthcare. So how are you protecting each another? So let me give you a little brief about how BenQ comes with a very unique feature on healthcare. So as you all know, BenQ is making products which is related to healthcare. All our panels comes with a very unique feature. So when you talk about this panel also, it comes with germ resistant screen, which makes sure that if there is any bacteria on it or on your fingertips, it gets killed automatically. We are the one and only brand across the globe which has a certification for an antibacterial glass. Other than that, we have two more certification from a company named TUV for low blue light and a flicker free technology. So whenever you're doing any kind of a recording or you're sharing your screen with anyone, we make sure that the person who's giving the presentation and the person who are viewing the panel, we protect their eyes with the help of low blue light and a flicker free technology. Now, as to show you, this is a germ resistant screen, how it works. So all our panels glass is coated with a technology called a silver ions, which makes the panel 99.9% bacteria free, and it's been certified. Then we have something called an air quality sensor. So in all our panels, there is something called as a sensor which comes along with it, which recognizes the oxygen level inside your room. Then we have smart eye care solution, which comes with a low blue light, flicker free and an anti-glare. So we are one and only brand which has a low blue light and a flicker free technology, and which is even certified by TUV. So it's summarized for my webinar for today, wherein the Dio board becomes an all-in-one meeting room solution. So there are features wherein you can do before meeting, there are features which you can do during meeting, and there are features which you can do after meeting also. So this is our response to the new normal. If you have any doubt, any concerns, please feel free to send us an email on info.ae@benq.com. I would like to thank each one of you for attending this webinar. Be safe, take care, God bless. Thank you.